Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on learning HTML from scratch. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into HTML elements or tags, which are the building blocks of any web page. So, let's get started. HTML elements or tags. HTML elements are like containers that hold different types of content, such as text, images, links, and more. They are represented by tags, which are written using angle brackets. HTML consists of various elements or tags that define the structure and content of a web page. HTML elements or tags are the building blocks of web pages, allowing you to structure content, define styles, and add interactivity. Element syntax. Each HTML element is represented by a tag, which consists of an opening tag and a closing tag. Tags are enclosed in angle brackets, like this. Basic tags. Here are some commonly used HTML elements which help the web page to create and understand by the browser. HTML tag. Every HTML document starts with a doctype declaration, followed by an HTML tag that contains two other tags, the head and the body. Head tag. The head tag contains metadata about the document, such as the title, character encoding, and links to external resources like style sheets and scripts. Body tag. The body tag encapsulates the visible content of the web page, such as text, images, videos, and interactive elements. Other tags. HTML provides a wide range of tags that serve different purposes. Let's explore some commonly used ones. Here are a few examples of HTML tags you'll encounter frequently. The H1 to H6 tags are used for headings of different levels. The tag is used to create links on the web pages. The image tag is used to embed images on the web pages. The ul and li tags are used to create unordered lists. The ol tag is used to create ordered lists. The div and span tags are used to group elements together for styling or scripting purposes. The p tag, which stands for paragraph. It is used to define a paragraph of text. These are just a few examples, and there are many more HTML tags you can explore. The important thing is to understand how these tags are used and how they affect the structure and appearance of your web page. There are several other elements or tags in HTML which you can learn about throughout this entire course series. Live demo. Let's put our knowledge to the test with a simple example. I'll show you how to use a combination of HTML tags to create a basic web page layout. Let's jump into Visual Studio Code Editor to write some code. Let's create a new HTML file, index.html, and save it. Now type HTML5 and select the suggestion option provided by Visual Studio Code for HTML5 boilerplate skeleton code and hit enter. Now, first update the text content inside the title tag. This content will be displayed in the browser tab bar. Now, add the div tag, which used to make section block for elements. Now, add the h1 heading tag and write some text content inside it. Now, add image tag and pass the src attribute in image tag. Now pass the image URL inside the src attribute. You can also pass some width and height using the style attribute in image tag. Now, add a p paragraph tag to write some summary about the page. And finally, add a link tag and insert the href attribute in it. This href attribute takes the link or URL of any resource file. Here I am passing our website URL address. Now save the file and open it in the browser. As you can see, by using different HTML tags and their attributes, you can create a well-structured and visually appealing web page. I know the styling, color, and size are not so much great, but you will get the basic idea of web page creation. You will learn some more about CSS styling during this entire course series. Let's add some styling to the div element with some width and margin properties, so that our web page looks aligned. And some width to image element, so that image could look smaller. And save the file. Now see the output result. It is looking much better than before with some styling. For CSS styling, we have a completely separate course series which entirely focused on styling and responsive designing of HTML web pages, which you can learn after this HTML course series. Congratulations! You've now learned about HTML elements or tags, which are essential for building web pages. Make sure to practice using different tags and experiment with their attributes to enhance your web development skills. That's all for today's video on HTML elements or tags. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. If you want to learn more, check out the complete HTML course link in the description box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next video.